Now, another tech giant in China this week, Mark Zuckerberg. He was in Beijing on Wednesday for a university forum where he delivered a big surprise.
我很高兴来北京，我爱这个城市。我的中文很糟糕，但是我的天，学用中文。
Did you get that? Speaking one-on-one with the host, Mark Zuckerberg said in Mandarin Chinese that he was happy to be in Beijing. He quickly added that his Chinese was really messy and still needs a little bit of practice. But then he went on to speak for half an hour entirely in Mandarin, even answering questions on his plans for China. Zuckerberg said that he wants to help Chinese companies bring in global clients through Facebook ads, and that his company will hire more Chinese staff next year.
我很高兴来北京，我爱这个城市。我的中文很糟糕，但是我的天，学用中文。